Never liked the rain till I walked through it with you. Every thundercloud that came, one more I might not get through. And on the darkest day there's always light, and now I see it too. I never liked the rain till I walked through it with you. I hear it falling in the night, filling up my mind. All the heaven's rivers come to light, I see it all white. I hear it talking through the trees on that window pane. When I hear it, I can't believe I never liked rain. Like the rain I had fallen for you. Know just why you like the rain, always calling for you, falling for you now, just like the rain. When the cloud is rolling over, thunder's striking me. It's bright as lightning and I wonder why cannot see. It's always good when the flood is gone and we still remain. Guess I've known all along I just belong here with you, falling like rain. I have fallen for you. I know just why you like the rain, always calling for you, falling for you now, just like the rain, just like the rain. When the night falls on better days, looking to the sky for the wind to take us high above the plains, I know that we'll find a better way to look into the eyes of the storm that will be calling. Forever will be falling like rain. I have fallen for you. I know just why you like the rain. Always calling for you, falling for you now, just like the rain.